Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful herbal hair oil. This oil is made up of wonderful spices and herb that is good for improving your hair growth. Continue watching. Hair oil. I'll be using moringa leaf. As we all know, moringa is a miracle tree. It is a storehouse of wonderful nutrients and it has healing properties. You can check out my video on how to do moringa powder. Use the moringa powder. I'll be using hibiscus leaf. It is high in vitamin C. It will help to nourish and straighten your hair roots. I'll be using mustard seed. It is rich in calcium, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acid. It will generate warm effect which will help in blood circulation. I'll be using black seed. Black seed will aid hair growth, keep your hair soft and hydrated, and also prevent premature gray hair. I'll be using fenugreek seed. It is high in protein, rich in folic acid, contain vitamin A, C and K. It is also used in treating various scalp issues. Feel free to customize and add any herbs or spice that you like. Seed. This is a wonderful seed. It has a unique smell. It will help to increase blood circulation, stimulate hair growth and enhance the hair color. Spices and herbs into a blender and blend. Done blending, I'll be adding coconut oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Coconut oil will help to stimulate hair growth, moisturize dry hair and soften the hair. When I'm done adding the coconut oil, I'll be adding the blended spices and herbs. Try to mix properly, then cover the jar. To speed up the infusion, I'll add hot water into a bowl. Then I'll place the jar into the hot water. The warm heat will help to draw all the herbs and the nutrients into the oil. This will make it to infuse faster. Water has cooled down. I'll bring out the jar. I'll be adding some of the other oils. I'll be adding olive oil, which is rich in vitamin C, which will make our hair strong and prevent hair fall. I'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Adding some drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil has calming effect. It has properties which will help to prevent bacteria and fungi from growing. It will prevent common hair or scalp issues and also promote hair growth. I'll be adding like 10 drops of lavender oil. Feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. I'll be using a tablespoon of oregano oil. This oil contains fatty acid and vitamin C, which will help to prevent hair dryness. It will also increase hair moisture content and prevent hair breakage. You can strain and use the oil, or if you want it to infuse more, leave it for about 2 or 4 days. This herbal oil will help to stimulate your hair growth, straighten your hair follicles. It will help your hair to grow thick and healthy. You can use this herbal hair oil as hot oil treatment, scalp oil, pre-shampoo treatment or sealing oil. How easy it is to make your herbal hair oil. This oil is so good and you can customize it with any spice or herb that you like. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.